The following video stems out of pure ignorance. The concept is very simple. Two people who have absolutely no idea of Desi hip hop scene watch a few clips and give their reviews without knowing any artistic background, any backstories, and more. The result is frustrating.
Like I can't enter a party and say, hey, what's my name? What's my name? What's my name?
It's irritating.
He was saying मैं मेहनत करता हूँ, and then he says, go fuck yourself. मैं time पे नहीं आता हूँ.
But it's also hilarious if you're not possessive about your artist, that is.
रात के लिए आने or something like that.
Yeah, that.
What does it mean?
That I come at night.
One final warning. If you get offended easily when your favorite artist is targeted, then this video is not for you.
Okay, on 3, 2, 1, action.
Hello ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, let's do it.
3, 2, 1, roll.
Hey guys, मेरा नाम है रोहन कारियापा and today we are here with a brand new concept. It's called Normies React. And Normies React to Rapper is the title of the video today. तो मेरे साथ है शाइन भट्टाचार्य, रेड एफएम के मिड मॉर्निंग जॉक,
Yay!
and नीलाद्री बोस, इवनिंग शो होस्ट ऑफ इंडिगो 91.9.
Thank you for having us.
Big
Yeah.
thing.
I don't know what we have to see and rate, but we'll give it a best.
So I'll
best
try to
shot,
explain
yeah.
it to you.
Okay.
आपके लिए मैं 10 rappers के clip लेकर आया हूँ, 1 minute each.
Alright.
ठीक है? You guys have to react to that.
Okay.
You have to give your reviews कि आपको rapper कैसा लगा, honest reviews.
Okay.
Although I have to warn you that you're entering the hip hop territory जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा toxic है. So
Right.
आपके links जो है वो मैं description में डाल दूंगा Instagram के. So if you guys want to follow or abuse anything, you know where to go.
Alrighty.
And after you give that review,
Right.
आपको बताना है, गेस करना है कि उस पर्टिकुलर रैपर के कितने सब्सक्राइबर्स होंगे उस चैनल पे जहां से ये गाना अपलोड हुआ है.
Right. Like it's a roundabout figure.
या अराउंड
Okay.
अबाउट
Okay.
द क्लोजेस्ट वन. सो 10 में से जिसके सबसे ज्यादा क्लोजेस्ट आंसर्स आएंगे
Right.
विल गेट दिस हैम्पर.
Fantastic.
Wow, what is that?
What
इट
is that?
हैज कूर्ग फ्रूट वाइन
Yay!
एंड स्नैक्स.
Awesome.
Oh, that's
awesome.
mine.
All right. Oh, you've already decided you're winning.
Get it? I'm taking it.
Okay. All right. Done.
Fruit wine is fine.
ठीक है. सो हाउ मच डू यू गाइज नो अबाउट रैप?
Not old school maybe.
Old school.
Oh yeah, like
Kaun?
Run DMC and Criss Cross.
Oh.
And,
Nice, nice.
Stuff like that, but nothing in the new age.
ओके. एंड शाइन?
I know there are two kinds of rappers. One who make songs about going to bars and ogling at girls, and the girl is with a guy, but the girl wants to be with him. That's it. The other kind of rappers, rap music that I know is my best है. मैं बेस्ट है. मैं बेस्ट है. तुम बेस्ट नहीं है. मैं बेस्ट. That's my knowledge of rap music.
Right.
I think it's upset.
Yeah, I think we make a good team to
ठीक है.
judge the videos.
Okay, so we'll go with the video number 1 in your laptop.
Alrighty.
ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਗਾਣੇ ਪਾਤੇ ਖਲਾਰੇ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨਾ ਕਰਾ ਪਸੰਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਐਫਟ ਨੇ ਆਣੇ ਬੜਾ ਮਨ ਕਰੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਨਾ ਕਰਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਫੋਨ ਨਾਲੇ ਭੱਜਣਾ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਸਿਹਤ ਬਣਾਵਾਂ ਉੱਠਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਰੋਟੀ ਚੰਗੀ ਖਾਵਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਸਵਾਦ ਅਨੁਸਾਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਆਰਡਰ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਰੀਰ ਮੰਗਾ ਫਾਈਨ ਨਾ ਇਨਸਾਫੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਾਂ ਕੱਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਸ ਲਾਈਨ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ ਖੜਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੜਾ ਦੇਸ਼ ਅੱਧਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਬਹੁਤਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਘੇਰਾ ਦਿਸਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਛਾਰਿਆ ਹਨੇਰਾ ਬੱਚੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਸੀ ਗਲੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਹੁਣ ਪਿਆ ਫੋਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਬਸੇਰਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੋਨੇ ਦੇ ਖਰਚੋ ਤੇ ਜੁੱਤਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਖਰਚੋ ਮੈਂ ਖਰਚਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਲਾ ਤੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਦੇ ਭੁੱਖੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਲਾ ਦਾ ਭੁੱਖਾ ਤੇ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਗਾਣੇ.
So the song's name is Kala, right?
Kala, black.
But where is that word in the track? It's not
It
there.
did appear once.
It's like a name of a poem.
Yeah. But I think this was in Punjabi, right?
This is Punjabi.
Yeah, so I can't imagine Punjabi guys being so mellow.
I
I mean, you always hear the word banchot, but this was like this guy.
yeah, a Punjabi rap without banchod or any such
Yeah.
abuse. It's marvelous. I didn't understand shit.
Yeah, I didn't
Very honest. At one point of time, I thought "Bachche Paida" something I heard.
Yeah.
So I thought he wants to have a baby.
And I think
And he talks about raat. Raat ne aane or something like that.
yeah, that.
What does it mean?
That I come at night, and you guys gotta be ready for me, and because I'm a nocturnal animal, and it's black, so kala. So that is what he was meaning in this song.
So I think
Yep.
enough.
Okay.
of
What is his
time.
name? What is this guy's name?
His name is Prabdeep. Now you have to guess कि इस बंदे के कितने सब्सक्राइबर्स होंगे.
67,236.
67,236.
He should be having a good following, so I would go at about 75K.
Very close guess. And the first point goes to Shine. It's 69.6.
Damn.
Very
Damn.
close.
Yeah, you get in the hamper.
Very close. Chalo, 1-0.
Awesome.
I always want to be close to 69, but not say it or do it. That's how I want to live my life.
Superb. Okay,
Close,
so
but just not doing it.
Okay.
67 not.
ठीक है, अब हम बढ़ रहे हैं एंट्री नंबर 2 की तरफ. Score right now is Shine 1, Niradri sir 0.
alrighty. So
Let's play entry number 2.
My methods compute to the vet with the musical heat that could fuel a jet. Label same, my persona don't fit the requirements of what the consumer expects. Well, you little cubicle plebs, your views are proof to be future regrets. You sue with your best, remove you from the scene like Angelina Jolie's tumorous breasts. I'm here to debunk your range, show the world why you punks are lame. You rappers, you claim that you run the game, but then open for me for the chunk of change. Got checks to prove that I ain't bragging, y'all are just elusive, like a damn pad abroad. I'm gold in the gravel pit, the rap game's anarchist. All night long, I struggled and hustled to get the spotlights on. My come up from under, but look, I'm alright now. While you hating the fact that I'm getting all I want, all night long.
Okay, so what did you think?
Brother
about
V in the house from Nama Bengaluru. Yeah.
Ravi, I am also a big fan of his music.
Yeah.
I realized something that nothing says a rapper. Like if there is no audio, I'm just watching a video, I can tell it's a rapper by the fact that the rapper will always have this one lip up, like have you noticed? And both of you always have this one lip like ऐसा like scene होता है.
Okay. You should listen to the song rather than noticing his lips. But you know something, Rohan, about Brother V, I think a big fan. Apart from that, I think what he's doing, like you have millions of Hindi rappers, Tamil rappers, Punjabi rappers, and all. But to be an English rapper and be successful at that in India is like a Indian fast bowler taking wickets on a spinning pitch, which is very difficult.
Which is what they're doing.
Yeah, so I think, full salute to Brother V. Man.
But he's great.
I love his music, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. अब subscribers guess करते हैं, brother.
You guess first.
130,000 subscribers.
130,000.
244,328.
244.
1,328.
It's quite far, both of you guys.
Right.
The right answer is 4,17,000. So Shine gets the second point.
Oh, damn. Yeah,
2-0.
Yeah, Brother V.
How do you feel, Niradri?
I'm absolutely
How do you
okay.
feel?
I'm
How does it feel to be losing?
losing.
Loser.
Okay, since
How
we
does
are-
it feel to be Kings 11 Punjab of IPL?
No.
Huh?
But you know, I was just thinking, if you were a rapper, what would people call you?
What?
A crapper. All right, this is a
मेरा
different
भाई
number.
मेरा भाई बीच को उड़ाए मालफू का धुआं सीधा हवा में उड़ाए छोटा दिखता हूँ पर हाड़ू में भाई जिसकी भी बारी है आने दे भाई हम गाने के जरिए से सच्चाई बताए हमें हाय मैं मेरे पंटर शूट रहे थे बुरा मैं मेरे पंटर स्टूडियो में रहते हैं दिन रात काम करे जमकर बीट पे फ्लैम बॉय खड़े नहीं रहने का चल छोड़े जमकर मैं मेरे पंटर स्टूडियो में रहते हैं दिन रात काम करे जमकर बीट पे है फ्लैम बॉय खड़े नहीं रहने का चल छोड़े जम
What are the other three guys doing in this song?
नहीं, वो उसके दोस्त है, उसकी गैंग.
तो मतलब क्या रोल है इनका?
सीधा शॉट जो भी हूँ सामने हूँ सबसे अलग हूँ मैं मेरे काम में हूँ मेहनत का खाता हूँ सबको बताता हूँ मैं बेटा समय पे कभी नहीं आता हूँ समय पे आने वाले चले जाते जिनको कुछ आता नहीं हमको समझाते जिंदगी पिक्चर है फूल और कांटे है खिलाता कोई नहीं है सब अपने नसीब का खाते हैं
I don't understand. So why did he say मैं समय पे नहीं आता हूँ?
क्योंकि
like
सा-
why would he boast
Where-
about the fact that
but
he's
who is this guy?
I'll tell you guys.
anyway क्या?
After you guys put out your guesses, मैं
Look,
आपको बता
just,
दूँ.
No, I
see, to bring, I mean,
I have a lot of questions.
He's like, there's a lot of mixed up things in this video.
Like what?
Like he's portraying to be this macho guy, but he's rolling in a golf car. Okay, I mean, at least hire a sedan from your friend or anything.
Jeep.
It should be a car, and there are plastic dune buggies following him around, and I don't know. His attention span is like a goldfish because. He was saying मैं मेहनत करता हूँ and then he says go fuck yourself मैं time पे नहीं आता हूँ. So
Yeah, so that's what my whole
So
question.
what is he trying to say and why is he looking like he's come out of a fucking hangover, you know, and he's trying to
So
you
no,
know
that
sort
he
himself
says,
out.
he says I am high.
Oh, he says he's high.
Yeah, he says I am high.
Okay.
My friends are also high.
Okay.
I am the best.
Ah.
If anybody wants to come, let them come.
Oh.
It's an open article like that.
Okay.
I work a lot
Uh huh.
and I don't come on time.
On time.
People who come on time, they go away. That's what he says. But what is there to, from the rap lingo, I don't understand. What is there to boast about not being on time?
अरे जो समय पे आता है वो चला जाता है जल्दी.
And जो नहीं आता है,
So he's
तो जो नहीं आएगा वो रह जाता है क्या?
no. So he's telling. I think what he wants to communicate is be fashionably late. You know, don't be on time. You're not a government officer that you come at 9 and leave at 5. If your job is at 9, you come at 11. You know, you're high. And and yeah,
I think this
and,
song
and
is
if,
made for government.
and if you want to prove a point by showing your machismo, roll in a golf cart with 3 other. But whoever this artist is, I mean, if you want a video made, contact us. We'll do a better job. We'll
Acha.
please hire a car for you.
Is that anyway Bantai?
First आपको subscribers guess करने हैं.
Who's
After that,
the guy?
No, I'll tell you that after I tell you the winner.
Okay, like listen, let me tell you, there's a lot of good that work on YouTube and there's a lot of crap that work on YouTube. The good and the crap both have high amounts of subscribers. So
That's you are setting your up कि मैं गलत बोलूँगा, but don't judge me for it.
अच्छा बताओ.
I would go at about 70,000.
70,000.
Yeah.
Okay, I would go at 6,33,233.
Both of you are like miles away.
Okay.
बहुत ज़्यादा दूर.
I am the nearest.
But
Get fucked. This is not a.
6
this is
lakhs नहीं है, 60 lakhs भी नहीं है.
हाँ.
12 करोड़, 12.5 करोड़.
So that you can't give this point to him.
No, why
It's
not?
it's way off.
That's
It-
the rule.
That's the
Not
rule.
this.
Whoever is the closest. That's how these game shows work.
Okay, who's the guy? Okay, who's the guy?
I mean,
MV बनता है.
This is Emmy
Yeah, the most subscribed.
guy in the universe.
No, not in,
Okay, I mean in
थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो.
yeah, in the
in India.
So he's more rappers than Badshah. Who follows the Badshah?
बादशाह खुद के चैनल पे अपलोड नहीं करता ना, वो टी सीरीज के लिए गाने बनाता है. ये खुद के चैनल पे ऐसे विदाउट एनी लेबल्स.
And more than Raftar.
हाँ, रफ्तार भी तो जी म्यूजिक से साइंड है ना.
So more than that guy. Who's the other guy? जो इसमें था, गली बॉय में था.
डिवाइन नेजी, डिवाइन भी साइंड है. तो ये जो साइंड आर्टिस्ट होते हैं जो
जो काउंट नहीं करता है.
नहीं काउंट करते हैं, ये अपने चैनल पे थोड़ी ना
So,
वीडियोस डालते
so we'll
हैं.
get you a number. It's a rap helpline. Okay, you just ask them whatever questions. Now let's go. Can we move on with the next?
Yeah,
one?
yeah. Let's
Number
go.
4.
ये जो नशा तेरी आंख से बहता पी लूं मैं मदहोश यहाँ माहौल बना इसे जी लूं मैं जो तू है दवा मंजूर सजा 100 बार भी हंस कर ही लूं मैं खामोश कहानी नजरों की होती ना बयां कहनी तू आज मजा तो मिजाज में है दोनों यहाँ हम साथ जो हैं होने खफा बस सारे ये तारे वो नूर कहाँ है जो अब में है क्यों रोक लूं खुद को मुझे कह जाने दे ये गाने के बोल न जाना ये जज्बा दे बह जाने दे हाँ तेरा हुआ मैं तेरा ही रह जाने दे मैं जी भर के पी लूं ना आंखें तेरी कम है मैं खाने से जो तू नशा तो होने दे मुझे ये बेहया मैं होना चाहूं जो लापता तो होने दे मुझे रोकना ये इल्तिजा.
Nice, yeah.
Nice. Very mellow. It's got a touch of sophistication to it.
Okay.
It's
Yeah,
good.
and he's the only rapper who is singing about the beauty of a girl.
And not
Other
once,
rappers are
yeah,
just
and
about themselves.
and not once did we hear that it's me and
Yeah.
me, myself, and I. So I think he's got a. I'm sure he's a trained singer. I'm guessing because he's hitting the right notes. Very mellow.
शैतान क्यों नाम रखा है खुद का वो? Why does
उसमें
he?
पहले शैतान था, अब ध्रुव एस्थेटिक्स नाम है उसका.
Dhruv Aesthetics.
बिकॉज
I think
पूरा
that's-
गाना अपना वो डिजाइन करता है, फ्रॉम प्रोडक्शन, मिक्सिंग, मास्टरिंग, एवरीथिंग.
Okay, he's done a good job, man.
Yeah.
I think the only thing he needs to work on is better names.
Yeah.
Better. Well, Dhruv Aesthetics.
It sounds like a
Imagine-
beauty parlor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or something like
For a
that.
facial, please come to Dhruv Aesthetics. For manicure, dial 1.
Audio equipment. Free. ऐसा कुछ purchase of 13,000 के साथ.
Yeah, but
It's good,
बट
Dhruv
अच्छा ठीक
Aesthetics.
है.
Yeah, good.
सब्सक्राइबर्स कितने होंगे? विल स्टार्ट.
380,000, man. Take it. I'm going to win this one.
Okay, hold on. 5,16,000.
And Niladri sir wins this point. He has 14,500 subscribers.
See, this is what happens on the internet, right? This is what happens on YouTube. The guy is so good You love to listen to him.
But he's very young. Can you guess his age?
He's 21, 22.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
but
he's young.
But age doesn't define that, Rohan. I mean, if you're a good singer, you deserve that amount. 14,000. I mean, come on. As against a couple of other videos.
So, I'm listening to you.
Yeah.
I'm listening to your monologue.
No.
ठीक है. Let's go with video number 5 now.
Say my name, yo. Say my name, yo. Say my name, yo. अब डरते हैं साले मेरा नाम लेके देख तो स्नीक टेस्ट करे मुझे लगे लेम जोक पिछवाड़े में घुसा ले अपना फेम ब्रो बात की है बारिश बेटा लगा ले तू रेन कोट यहाँ तो लोग बदलते हैं रंग जैसे रेनबो डाउन इन जी टाउन करूँ शहर शहर में सारे शब्द यहाँ लिपटे पड़े हैं जहर में यो हनी बी विद मी उंगली डाली रखी शहद में भी नीड पूर रैपर जिन्हें करना पता पैर में इनसे पहले हम पैसा कमा रहे थे किया था हसल और गेम को संभाले थे हर गाने में खा ले मारे ले जा ले ऐसे रैपर तो हम पे बिठा ले अभी भी है घमंड ने काय का चख लो कलम ले लो आके बेटा जायका कटेन के प्यास तो आएगा इन्हें स्वाद गिरे आंसुओं के धार बेटा फैलेगा अब रायता क्या फायदा कर पाएगा नहीं तू हार जाएगा मर पाएगा भी तू मार खाएगा लड़ पाएगा नहीं तू अलकायदा बन पाएगा नहीं तू जीत लूं मेरा फ्लो स्पीड लाइक या सीधा वाइब दिया बेटर लीड द माइक या रीडिफाइन किया यू जस्ट नीड अ लाइफ या इनका फेवरेट कॉल जैसे पीटर लाइक या
So, no, so I can understand if you're a sports person, you want to beat other sports person, and art is subjective,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Why do you want to physically beat up on other rappers?
Yeah.
What is this? What is this grouse?
See,
And who are these people? I want to know. Who are telling those rappers? Like every rapper has this. मेरे को तुमने बोला था मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा लेकिन मैं करके दिखा
yeah. Who is
Who are those people who are telling those
Yeah.
rappers कि तुमसे कुछ नहीं होगा? I
please,
have not come.
please put your hands up. And
Yeah.
They told the boy कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला रैप से
And also, I think like the song, the clip that Rowan played to us, it started off with, "What's my name? What's my name?" Dude, either you are suffering from a curious case of amnesia, or your
Or you're
parents,
Sheila.
or your parents haven't named you. How the fuck would we know?
No,
like,
no,
I can't enter a party and say, "Hey, what's my name? What's my name? What's my name?"
But did you notice this? He said, "What's my name? What's my name? Say my name. Say my name. Say my name." And then he says, "मेरा नाम लेके देख तू." Like you take
my
name
name.
once and see what I do.
Okay, so what?
So
Even-
is he shouting at us? Like did we
नहीं
do
ये
anything?
एक डिस्ट्रैक है subliminal डिस्ट्रैक है दूसरे रैपर के लिए जो इसको
So,
subliminal
Yeah. See.
If I have something negative to say about Niladri, I'll tell Niladri.
No.
I'll go and tell outside to people.
Why will I do this? What logic is that? It's like you're bringing
it's hip hop culture.
Oh, it's a hip hop culture. All right.
Have you heard about Tupac and Biggie?
Tupac and Biggie? Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
But they never made diss tracks against.
अरे
him.
भाई the most legendary diss track Hit 'em Up करके बनाया था.
So इसीलिए सब rappers वही कर रहे हैं अभी.
क्या नहीं बहुत पहले वो तो पहले
So
तो ये
is this
बैटल
guy-
रैपर्स थे ना.
So is this guy Punjabi or what? What is he?
कश्मीरी.
A Kashmiri, an angry Kashmiri rapper. That is something we need.
If that's kind of army major rapper, I understand.
एक्चुअली इसके एक गाने में इसी गाने में वो पहले बोलता है मैं ब्रिगेडियर भी बोलता है वो.
But I think
वो
that
brigadier है.
नहीं वो बोलता है रैप मैदान मैं
he's
ब्रिगेडियर.
the brigadier of rap. Like how you're the viceroy of vaginas. So yeah, but who's this guy? Tell us his story.
अच्छा नहीं
I'm saying that if he had to choose a post for himself, I would go with brigadier. There are other posts above him, no? I think general.
Brigadier is the biggest.
नहीं
Brigadier-
मेजर जनरल
Major.
जनरल sorry लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल and then general.
Then you're under. He's being humble. Give him that much. I mean, a
Or
second.
I think Lieutenant General में rap का would have been too.
Yeah. Hey, Subedar of rap. Just keep it simple.
Sepoy.
Yeah, Sepoy. All right, so
मैं
what?
engineers division में काम
ये
करता हूँ.
नहीं
Tank.
ये बोल सकते हैं इसी पोए बादशाह.
Oh.
Yeah.
कितना सब्सक्राइबर्स होंगे इस चैनल के जिसमें इसने डाला है. एक्चुअली ये फेयर नहीं होगा बिकॉज इसका चैनल तो एक लेबल है तो आप लोग इसके उसमें व्यूज बता दो कितने व्यूज होंगे.
For this particular video,
या
I'm looking at about
Looking at about what you're psychic. God is speaking to me.
280,000 to 310,000 views.
ओके
3 million views.
देख लिया क्या.
नहीं क्या ऐसे कहा.
3.1 million views so it's
Goes to him.
4-1.
4-1. Fucking hell.
Okay, let's go with the next.
That's like a match between Roger Federer and
And Somdev Burman. Okay.
Don't insult him so
Okay.
much.
You don't hold anything back. Whatever is in your heart, bring it out. Okay? It's nothing but insulting. We're just having a
Umesh,
good laugh.
Roger Federer playing tennis.
Yeah.
No, not insulting anybody.
Should I hit video number 6?
Yes.
Yo, we get high fee. I like heavy metal. I like pussy, money, weed. Cause I met the devil. That's not important, dawg. Running with a gang that's deep too much. I say days in a week. My boys don't stop. These dudes don't sleep. No, we don't fuck with y'all. Y'all study following sheep. You see, little bitch. You love no peep. Yo, hit you with the switch like tough, no beep. Yo, I'm an animal with the stamina. Need bananas, bro. Gorilla mode. King Kong with the load. I throw the hammer, bro. I'm Hannibal. That's a cannibal. Yo, what's the episode? You man enough? Now you embarrassing. I'll make that head explode. Wow. Goes the weasel, lord of the lungi. Boys, they lethal. Do how it should be. Check my easel. This, that, art, that loud, that diesel. Fuel tank full. I'm tripping out, boy. Shit on the rapper cause they sound fecal. All of that other shit you do see through. HMK on the way to defeat you like goddamn.
That's it.
That's fucking sick. Oh my.
All right, now.
Bata.
This is a very, it looks to me like he's a very underground kind of a rapper. He's portraying an image that he's, as much as he likes pussy and weed and he's all macho, he's also petting street dogs, hanging out with auto guys and just having a good time, and he's not here to be in anybody's space.
Nice.
His video quality could have been better, but I guess he's probably done it on move. So yeah, pretty
Shahan,
good.
आपको
Yeah.
कैसा
I
लगा?
like.
It's the same. I don't understand why every rapper is bent on telling us that he's amazing. We get it. We listen to your music.
No, he was actually
Imagine
not telling.
Sonam coming
He
up
was.
and saying कि मैं best हूँ करके.
लेकिन वो तो
Every
दूसरों
song-
के लिरिक्स गाते हैं, खुद के लिरिक्स लिखते
खुद
हैं
के
ना.
lyrics गा रहे हैं ना,
इस
and
तरह थोड़ी ना समीर थोड़ी ना सोनू निगम
Yeah.
के लिरिक्स.
Backstreet Boys.
see you
Did
can
they ever sing a Backstreet Boys are bad? They said yes.
हाँ.
see. Listen, Shine. You cannot.
Alicia
you,
Chinoy.
you cannot compare Backstreet Boys, Alicia Chinoy to a rapper because
Hariharan.
rapping.
Imagine Hariharan singing a track. What was this track? Give me Hariharan track.
Some one of those tracks. I mean, okay.
Imagine Lata Mangeshkar.
Why?
She's
Listen.
singing, "ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी."
And then she says,
मैं
"Hey,
हूँ-
yo, my name's Lata." Or she's not going to say that.
Asha is
See, Lata Mangeshkar has been given a set of lyrics for her to sing out because of her melodious voice. Now, these guys are all about observational music. What they observe, what they go through life, what they're doing at that present moment, what happened in the past is what they want to communicate.
and that is all about मेरे साथ क्या हुआ. It's why
Because it's observational, because he's
No,
noticing a lot of things happening in his life.
Yeah, he could talk about anything about society. Why does every other rap song has to be that मैं amazing है?
नहीं नहीं.
No, it doesn't need to be. You just saw Shaitan or Dhruv Aesthetics.
every
He did.
other.
Yeah, he was not singing about that. He's the best. This
And
also,
also-
he's also not saying he's the best. He's saying, hey, I love this stuff. I love the pussy. I love the weed. He's not saying, hey, I'm the best. He's trying to say what he likes. Exactly, it was in English. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. Damn.
Subtitle also. See, I know English.
Jeez.
But subtitle would help. That's how my English level is. I know English. I will be grammatically correct most of the time, but a subtitle helps me. What's his name?
आप पहले सब्सक्राइबर्स बता दो.
Also, why was he singing with an accent?
बिकॉज ये बाहर से पढ़ है मलयाली लेकिन बाहर रह के आया है.
2-3 साल. That's Niladri. He spent a few months in Australia and says Australia is my home. Bangalore is my second home.
पर्सनल अटैक में आदि से.
That's a. I'm an Australian, mate.
नहीं काफी टाइम रह के आया है ये. बताओ आप कितना होगा सब्सक्राइबर्स इसके?
You guess.
You start.
No, you start.
You start. I've been guessing all the time, getting it wrong.
Okay. This guy's an underground rapper. 23K.
23K subscribers. Niladri sir.
50-55.
It's 5-1.
How much did he get?
2,500
Oh,
subscribers.
jeez.
तो तू मतलब इसको ढूंढ के कैसे निकाल सकते?
भाई ये
पूरा दिन तू.
मेरा वन ऑफ द फेवरेट आर्टिस्ट है. बहुत सही है. बैंगलोर में रहता है.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, fuck, I
yeah.
should have-
So we agree on what.
We can't know.
So do you
I'm
agree on?
scared.
Do you agree on what I actually reviewed
you're
about?
right.
Yeah.
You're right. You're about.
You can
right
keep the fucking hamper. Okay, should I
It's
hit this?
5-1 now.
That's
Niladri
what
sir
he-
has to answer all the entries correct for him to like tie.
Or she.
Tie. And
ठीक है.
if tie, because I'm younger, I get the voucher anyway.
Okay.
अच्छा, number 7. please.
Number 7, here we
Very
go.
interesting.
होना है जो होने दो, रुकता ना कोई रोके दो, झुकता ना कोई टोके तो ए शक्ति सा को सोने दो, उठका अगर वापस तो बीप साउंड बरसेंगे सिर्फ सुनने को, बाय बाय बोल के भोगता ना मैं बस मार्केट में उठने को, खोलूंगा अगर एक बार तो पड़ेगी चड्डी सुखाने को, कर दी गलत बात रैप टेस्ट लाइंस वाली तो तू सुन ले ब्रो, हरकत फजर बॉय चने फजर छपरी अगले लेडे फुल 25 सालन 18 62 बुल्ले बटर सॉरी बेला सॉरी ब्रो सॉरी लग में भूल गया क्या, होना है जो होने दो, रुकता ना कोई रोके दो, झुकता ना कोई टोके दो, होना है जो होने दो, शेट्टी सा को सोने दो, शेट्टी सा को सोने दो, शेट्टी सा.
You know what Shetty Sa is a euphemism for?
What?
Dick.
Shetty's, you fucking crazy.
That's why he says Shetty Sa was so rare.
His song is more like a telegram. Remember, you used to receive telegrams coming to Chennai. Stop. It's like that. It's like more like he's not able to stitch words. He's like struggling to stitch those words. So he just in the middle of the song, did you notice? Pang, cheddi, giddi, guddi. He kept doing that. He knew shit. I can't do this, but I got to make the song. And yeah, what's his name?
I like this song. I really like this song because for once it's about some other person. It's a frivolous song. It's a song meant to just.
But this again stems from a lot of anger.
No, he's saying Shetty Sa ko sone do. He's saying let Shetty Shah sleep because if he wakes up, he will give you a lot of gali and chaddi sukhana. I didn't understand that, but maybe he will give you his chaddi to dry out.
So it comes from anger because
How is it from anger?
he wants a particular man to just fucking sleep. When
He-
if I wish that for you, I have a problem with you.
No,
There
if
is a
I am-
beef with
if
me.
I am sleeping and somebody wants to wake me up and you draft a rap to let the person know that I should be allowed to sleep, I would love it. I would love it. This guy wants Shetty Sa to sleep and he's drafted a whole rap around it. I think it's a good friend and a great rapper. Ridiculous.
We need to get inside his head to find out what he's actually perceiving about the world around him.
I think
Because
it's
it's
a good.
like he suddenly likes Shetty because he wants
No,
to sleep.
I like this guy who's allowing Shetty.
His name is
MC Bella.
MZ Bella.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
This
That's
is
the
a
name of the
diss
song.
tag towards MC Bella. His name is Shetty Sa. तो वो बोल रहा है कि मेरे को सोने दो, मेरे को जगह मत वरना मैं भी डिस कर दूंगा. ऐसा ये MC Bella को बोल रहा है.
So it comes from anger, right?
Yeah, you're
So
right about that.
So you didn't get it.
I didn't
You
go
didn't
into the-
fucking get it. I said it stems from anger. You said no, it's about Shetty going to sleep. Rohan tells us it's like don't fuck with me because I'll start dissing you. That's what he means. It stems from anger.
अच्छा, let's
you got
guess.
it wrong.
Let's guess the subscribers.
Yeah, the game is not to guess what the song is all about.
Okay.
We're not here in a poetry session.
Yeah, but it's also to understand the video because
No.
otherwise we could have WhatsApped the numbers to him.
If the video was about understanding understanding the video, he would have given it the hamper out for that. It's about guessing the numbers.
अच्छा ठीक है, now
हाँ.
guess the number.
You go for it.
Let's feel it right. You go for it.
Go for it.
You go for it. No once. Okay. Shetty Sa ko sone. 37,834.
Okay.
I go with
Let's go with this. Actually, 3 million. 3 million might be. 3 million. Go for 3 million. Tell 3 million. Tell 3 million. 3 million is right. Tell 3 million.
I go with about 45 to 50,000.
And Niladri sir wins it.
Yeah.
5-2. 95,000 subscribers.
How much?
95,000.
95,000.
Underestimate the guy.
चलो let's go to entry number 8.
एक दफा का जिक्र है, थोड़ी पुरानी बात है, सही से याद नहीं। मेरा एक दोस्त था बल्ली, यारों का यार, भाइयों का भाई। वो दिल का था बहुत ही साफ, हाँ कुछ आदतें खराब थी। ये बात है 2012 की, चरस शराब तो शहर में आम थी। बल्ली गरीबी में बड़ा हुआ, उसने देखी नहीं शान और शौकत। वो चाहता था पैसा बहुत सारा, लेने को रेडी था वो कोई भी शॉर्टकट। I'll cut short to जब उसने ये सोचा कि एक पिस्टल चाहिए, 2 लड़के जाएंगे, 2 पीछे आएंगे, फील्डिंग लगाएंगे, काम दिखाएंगे और फिर निकल जाएंगे। और ऐसा ही हुआ, सब लौटे घर को, जेबों में नोट ही नोट। बल्ली भी खुश है, वो मारे दम भी, बल्ली को याद नहीं मौत। पर मौत की बात नहीं करते क्योंकि इस कहानी में वो आगे आनी है। आजा माँ तुझे मैं शॉपिंग करवाऊं, तू फिक्र नहीं कर पैसा पानी है। आजा हम घूमने चले, तू मुझे घुमाती थी अब मेरी बारी है। बल्ली की माँ ही थी सब कुछ, बल्ली का बाप इस दुनिया में रहा नहीं। बल्ली को जानता था बड़े अरसे से, बल्ली और मेरे में पर्दा नहीं। बल्ली का खौफ था लड़कों में पर उसे पता था मैं उससे डरता नहीं। और जब भी मिलता था उससे मैं कहता था जानी के ये लांचे ठीक नहीं। लेकिन मैं जानता था उसके पास कोई डिग्री या सर्टिफिकेट नहीं। ढूंढी पर मिली नहीं नौकरी, अब भूखा तो रोटी ही मांगता है। तेरी नजर में वो बस एक डकैत, पर भूख को भूखा ही जानता है।
I like the guy, man. He's I think he's rapping about a friend called Bali, and
Right.
who got into drugs and this thing. There's a lot of performance in his poetry.
But this Bully is a female.
नहीं नहीं,
तू मुझे घुमाती थी बोल रहा है एक बार।
वो माँ के पर्सपेक्टिव से बोला। बल्ली अपनी माँ को बोलता था तू मुझको घुमाती थी, अब मैं देखो शॉपिंग पे ले चलता हूँ।
So this guy is not Bully.
ये
No,
बल्ली
he's
नहीं है,
talking
गाने
about
का
his
नाम है
friend.
बल्ली और मैं। तो ये अपने दोस्त की कहानी
So
बता
the
रहा है।
so the whole story stems from 2012, where he says,
It's not true. It's mentioned in the song.
yeah, exactly,
Like Einstein.
exactly. It's mentioned in the song. That's why. Since
Don't
you're,
take credit for
so, no, since you're a little late in grasping most of the things, I'm just trying to help. I'm going to speed up the process here. I like what he's done. I think it's, again, he's rapped about something, an incident. It's again observational, but about a person.
Yeah.
Nice music,
Yeah.
a little dark, it's got lots of Western touches. I mean, you probably get this, in the American rap circuit, but I like it, man. I mean,
Okay.
That's what I think. I think what I'm understanding is rap music is not like a happy music. It's more of angst. Badshah though is happy.
Yeah, even Riftar is.
सब अपने अलग अलग जोन के बारे में गाना बनाते
Yeah.
हैं। सो दिस इज हिज डार्केस्ट ट्रैक। अगर आप नॉर्मल में सुनोगे तो ये भी बोल रहा होगा कि मैं बेस्ट हूँ।
What?
You guess.
I've been guessing.
No, guess.
I go with about views,
नहीं, सब्सक्राइबर्स।
subscribers.
You're going to say a random number. How does it make a difference?
I'll go with about 45 to 50,000.
अच्छा, तो आपके हिसाब से कितने होंगे?
I think this guy has about 30 grand.
5-3.
Oh, come on.
It's 182K, मतलब 1,82,000.
Not bad at all.
Yeah.
Go with 45 to 50 for everything, Nilad. It's working for you.
Okay, now let's move on to the number 9th.
Me café roca, café calle miro cual la repertoire aquí dostal mere alfashi dishta roca melo are gole vare gole shame gole zare se bagava beski yak me beski at arene sa e operaje am that artist me festa feliz chep ki hip hop ke mehfil me sab ko jaundice jalte jalate am quando I still keep my calm flying ballistic missiles I'm Abdul Kalam karma some of the leg up a wreck up a storm a lyrical sauna armor get in the can go pen in your armor connect your Martian Donalds kind of go boogie bazooka with grammars MC Hammers licking Jatomi da East Rastafari Rastafari
You understood?
I like this guy. He's very fucking laid back, very beach music. It's not like hardcore rap. There is a little bit of melody.
You know why
There
he's
is
beach music?
Why?
Because he's from Kolkata.
Oh,
Is he? Yeah?
Why?
I think I know. I think I've heard this guy.
no, but
If I'm not wrong,
Kolkata doesn't have a beach. You know that, right?
Mandarmuni.
But that's
It's
not in
outside Kolkata.
That's outside Kolkata. That's
Ah,
not in
but-
Kolkata.
yeah,
Kolkata
but
doesn't have a
still.
beach, unlike Chennai. Chennai
ठीक
has
है,
a
ठीक है,
beach.
But
okay.
he's not from Chennai.
No, I know.
No, I'm just maybe he's not from Chennai.
अरे ठीक है, ठीक है।
So, this guy, if I'm not wrong, this guy, I'm forgetting his name. We've never met, but this guy used to anchor at a television station in Kolkata where I came on as anchor a couple of years ago.
कौन सा टेलीविजन स्टेशन था वो?
TV South Asia.
टीवी?
South Asia.
अच्छा, हाँ, okay. So how did you like this track?
I like the track. I definitely.
Tell me how many subscribers?
I go with about 80 to 95,000.
Okay.
82 to 95 is too much.
अच्छा, एक बोल दो।
All right, 90,000.
Okay.
Are you fucking?
100,000.
Huh?
100,000.
And he takes it.
He gets it. Yes. How much is it?
200,000
200,000. That's
Just half
good.
I said.
Okay,
I think
so
it's okay.
the score line is
is 6-3.
6-3.
Yeah.
I can't win it.
Okay, ठीक है. तो
This guy's name.
his name is EPR.
EPR, yes, he is the lead singer of the band Underground Authority.
Oh shit.
है ना? Underground
हाँ,
Authority show देखा हो?
इतना फॉलो करते क्या? हाँ, ये लोग कोलकाता में apparently बहुत popular है कहते हैं.
हाँ.
So there's no. Should we hit the 10th video or it's done? He's won
10.
the. Hit the 10.
10.
Yeah.
Hit the 10.
Reaction video है यार.
Okay, hit the 10. 10.
So now I'm not going to play out the 10th clip because our normies absolutely hated that artist and that clip that I played out for them. And मेरे को ऐसा लगता है अगर मैंने ये clip और उनका review रख दिया तो the artist in spotlight would take offense to whatever they are saying. So we'll keep it light and we'll chop off the video right here. The final score, however, is 6-4. Let's move on.
Final scoreline is 6-4.
6-4, not bad.
Not
Ninal,
bad,
not
I
bad.
made
But
up-
but you knew about rapping a little more than Shine.
Yeah.
But still, it's a shame that you couldn't win this.
See, I mean, he was guessing. I was going with the merit of what you
Yeah,
were. You
your
were.
God was whispering in your ear.
I was going with the merit of the track. He was just guessing. He would just look up like that, like one famous politician did during an interview with Arnab Goswami.
Who?
Every question that he was asked, he just look up.
Who?
I'm not going to say the name, but yeah, it was good fun, man. You took us into the world that we've never been.
Yeah.
And
We'll do
Shine
the-
has come out of that world with a hamper. With a hamper. How cool is that?
Wow.
Awesome, Shine.
Lovely.
This
So
is a hamper from
Taste of
the
Cool.
Taste of Coorg, and you guys should go online on www.tasteofcoorg.com, and lots of great stuff, homemade stuff. You know, all your groceries will be taken care of, and yeah, all you got to do is log on to www.tasteofcoorg.com and show them some love.
And drugs not available as of now.
Yeah, they're thinking about paracetamol and all that, but that in just a bit. So why don't you take out and show us what you got?
Because I'm possessive.
But इतने सारे entries देखने के बाद कोई entry याद है कौन सी वाली
मेरे को
याद है?
शैतान याद है
हाँ.
जिसका नाम चेंज हो गया some aesthetics हो गया.
Dhruv Aesthetics.
Broda V is always anyways.
Brother we know. Then we know Emiwe Bantai.
Okay.
And then we.
Anyway, but हाँ, EPR का मुझे पसंद आया.
Yeah, then
I dislike the last one honestly.
the guy from Underground Bangalore. I forget.
Hanuman Kind.
Huh?
Hanuman Kind.
Hanuman Kind. Yeah, that guy was pretty cool.
शीतल शेट्टी को ना क्या नाम था?
Shetty Sa.
शेट्टी सा को सोने दो.
Shetty Sa. And then
Civil song.
there was another guy who kept saying, "What's my name? What was he all about?"
Krishna.
Krishna. Yeah.
So you liked everyone.
Not everyone.
कोई एक दो नाम बताओ
For me,
अगर
for me, always on top, Brother V. Second would be Dhruv Aesthetics.
Okay.
And the third would be the guy from Bangalore, Krishna.
ठीक है. Hanuman Kind.
Broda
Guy from Bangalore is Hanuman Kind.
Hanuman
Krishna is
Kind.
same I name.
Sorry.
Broda
Hanuman.
V top, EPR number 2.
ये क्योंकि पहले से जानते हो.
No, EPR I like his
अच्छा.
Underground Authority में
हाँ.
EPR top and number 3 would be the Dhruv Aesthetics.
चलो.
Okay,
done.
show us what you got. So this is.
This is Chiroti.
What is Chiroti?
It's
Just
a
one
dessert.
second and give it back to you. It's yours. You won it. All right. This is Chiroti. And what is this?
It's a dessert.
It's a dessert.
Yeah.
Hold it very close.
And
I mean-
take out the other thing as we. Oh, this is cool. This is nice. This is a squash, I'm
Orange
guessing.
Wine.
It's orange.
Oh, this
squash.
is wine.
Wine.
What wine is this?
Yeah, it is coffee wine.
Oh, coffee wine. Since you don't drink, this is
No.
mine.
No.
Okay.
I'm going to drink it all tonight.
Yeah, but very cool. Very cool stuff. Congratulations, Shrine, for winning.
ठीक है.
No, it's
अच्छा.
it's important
हाँ,
you
यही
feel.
तो.
हाँ.
See, now it's not going inside. अच्छा.
ठीक कोई बात नहीं मैं अब It's not
घुस
going
नहीं रहा
inside
था,
or not.
लेकिन अगर थोड़ा सा पुश किया तो घुस गया.
चलो आउटरो दे देता हूँ. Thank you guys for watching this video. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो please thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel.
So that nobody has doubts who won.
Yeah,
In case you started the video from back.
yeah. It's all about the music.
And अगर आपको ये वीडियो एक और बार देखनी है with a different edition, then make sure you drop down the ideas in the comments below. For now, it's us signing out.
Finna hit a hug, get the dirt in my face. Never getting up from the club in the sway. Bad blood, someone like a cousin, I wait. Back full of shit when I'm numb in the pain, I'm running away. Caught in the chase, constant debate for my thoughts every day. Learning the way to keep monsters at bay. Concentrate on my trades away.